Hey, welcome to the channel. Forex Shark Calls. If you're not in the Telegram for Forex Shark Calls, you got to get there, right? Top of the screen, Forex Shark Calls. Make sure you're on that page. It's got over 21,000 subscribers. Why do I sound like I'm amped up? It's because I am. We've got great news right here. Great news, guys. Just got out of the auditing meeting and our audit passed with flying colors. What? Yes, another hurdle jumped. A day closer, November 1st. What is he saying here? We will be able to publish the audit within the next 48 hours. Scrolling down, new weekly Medium article published. We added 2 writers to the team, which will allow us to produce a new article every week, updating the community on what happened and what's to come. Like, folks has always been concerned about the communication for Forex Shark. My guess is he simply didn't have any time. He is in the lab cooking up a rock star ecosystem. So he probably doesn't have time to communicate effectively, right? The way that we expect him to, or at least the way that we want him to. But that's all subjective. But what he's doing is he's adding pieces to the team. To be successful in business, you've got to have the right players on the team, and then everyone has to play their position. So he's got 2 people. Looks like they're going to be responsible for creating Medium articles and updating us on communication. That's one of the most fundamental business aspects, communication. He's giving it to us, right? What else is he talking about on here? Interview tomorrow at noon with Crypto Atlas. They'll be announcing the winner of the last promo. So someone's going to win $5K. It's a lot of bread. I wonder what they're going to do with that $5K. Whoever you are, congratulations when they finally make that announcement. That sounds amazing. All right, what else we got going on here? We started a new contest and it's up on the current landing page. Okay, we also published some updates to the site, such as removing the single asset dog pool and replace it with the dog pound. No problem. We're good there. We also made major progress. Oh, hold up. Wait. Hold up. Wait. All right, here we go. We also made major progress on the fiat on-ramp for all of our assets. We essentially got approved. Now we just need to set up, which will not take long. Okay. Let me ask you this. For anybody you guys have attempted to onboard, you probably had 2 major hurdles. One, trying to get them to understand what the heck drip was and how it actually worked, because it seemed too good to be true. And then the other piece is, if you were successful enough to get them to invest in drip, you had to work through the onboarding process, like getting them set up with MetaMask, crypto.com, maybe Coinbase or Binance, and connecting that stuff to their banks. And then once it was finally connected, then there was a waiting period. So they snatched their funds and held on to them for like 7 to 14 days. And then you had to reconnect with them and say, all right, so now that your money's there, I'm going to show you how to move that stuff over to MetaMask, and then how you buy this BNB, and like, boom, stop. That's just too much information. It's too much, man. You know what? In fact, I'm not interested anymore. Anybody have that conversation? I'm certain some of us have. This potentially solves that. Like, we don't know what it's going to look like, but it's got to be easier than what we're doing today, right? So here it is again. Fiat on-ramp is going to be huge because it would allow people to buy our tokens on our site with credit and debit cards. And that opens up a ton of options moving forward, including the ability for people to set up kiosk in their establishments. Let me ask you a question. Who the heck else is doing this? Who the heck else is doing this in DeFi? I'm going to pause for like 3 seconds because I'm going to allow you guys to kind of scratch your head and throw up that big old cloud bubble to try to think of who else is doing this. And then if you find somebody that I'm unaware of, put it in the comments. Put it in the comments. Let's talk about it. Because the only person that I'm aware of is Forex Shark and his team. But surprise me. Put somebody else in the comments. Yeah, share the love, share the information. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, The price of drip is about $5. Let's go check her out. Let's go check it out. Let's see where we're at, right? For all you folks that are still chilling on the sidelines, let me help you and make you aware of an investment. This is the Drip Network, right? Paying 1% per day. It's a high yield savings account. High risk, high return. Some would say low risk, high return. Anything in cryptocurrency, especially DeFi, there's high risk. However, when you compare Drip to all the other cryptocurrencies and projects in DeFi, we're low risk, apples to apples, right? But DeFi to traditional finance, we're a bit more in terms of high risk, right? But geez, the returns are through the roof, right? All right, so let's get on the right network here. Let's play around. Let's get you all set up. Yeah, I got some stuff sitting on Avalanche, which I'm getting rid of. I'm consolidating. I'm only playing around with Drip. That's all I'm playing around with. Let's see. Let's go ahead and get connected. And we want to head over and see what the price of Drip is. $4.95. $4.95. What other investment can you get started with outside of like penny stocks? You know, $4.95 that has the potential to give you like a 3,600% return in a year. If you know of one, leave it in the comments. I'm unaware of one, but if you know of one, share the love. Leave it in the comments. Love to talk about it. Love to explore it. But right now, I'm only trusting Forex Shark. Look, $4.95 would get you invested in the Drip Network. Again, it's a protocol that pays you 1% every single day. And you want to get in now because as people are able, let's start over. As people are aware of the Drip Network and then able to onboard with a debit card and a credit card, can you imagine where Drip price is going to be? It's going to be a lot higher than $4.95. I can guarantee you that. It could easily 5x, 10x from here, maybe even a 20x, right? $100. Our all-time high was close to 200. We're down to like near all-time lows. So the risk reward is through the roof. Find a few bucks. Not financial advice, but find a few bucks. Again, not financial advice. Find a few bucks to maybe get started in the Drip Network. It will change your life. You know, by the way, check this out. All right, you see this group? See this group of handsome fellows? Come on, man. That's my grandma told me. She told me I was a handsome fellow. Anyway, every Saturday, 4 p.m. Eastern Standard Time this week, we're actually going to go live and we're going to answer questions, anything associated with the animal farm, the Drip Network. We're just going to go through our personal experiences, our strategies. We're going to answer any questions that you guys have. If there's any updates, we'll drop the alpha on the live stream. Come on, man. Right? It's a community that's giving back, man. The more you give, the more you receive. We've got Crypto Fergie, right? We've got DG, we got DeFi Proof, we got Crypto Mark, Spoffit, Smoothing Crypto, Drip to Wealth, aka Kryptonite. That would be me. We got Mo Crypto, we got Crypto Kings and Driptopian that drop in every once in a while and bless us with their presence. Ladies and gentlemen, time is running out. The date is now November 1st. I repeat, the date is officially November 1st. Get your life in order. In the meantime, I wish you peace and prosperity. Stay hydrated. Take care.